Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all fine and good. Welcome all of you in my channel Plants Corner. My today's video is about I will share you the corners of my plant where I put my plants in different corners of my home roof. So this is the first corner I will visit you. So let's start. This is the full overview of my first corner of my plants. So let's see which kind of plants I put here. Here you can see this is first of all asparagus, and you can see it looks beautiful here. And the second is here, this is yucca plant. It also looks beautiful. And the next is alternanthera plant in one pot, and you can see it's also looking pretty here. This is nasturtium. In orange color. This is in big pot, but I put something down to make place beautiful here. And in a mid, here is a water for birds. And the next is here is also, you can see this is nasturtium plant, and also I put it on one of empty pot. So this is the first row of my plant, look like this. And now we go to second row. This is second row, and this is my favorite basil plant in this round shape pot, and you can see it is also looks beautiful here. And the next is ornamental cabbage in two colors. The first is in purple color and the next is in pink and off-white color. So this is second row, and this is also alternanthera plant and yucca plant in this second row. So this is second row, and the next is last row. This is daisy plant, and you can see it looks beautiful here. This is chrysanthemum plant, and here is French marigold. Again here chrysanthemum plant, and the next is two pots of yucca plant. So this is the first corner of this roof where I put my plants, and you can also tell me the arrangements how look like my first corner of plants. Here I have many kinds of plant. The front of nasturtium plant, the next is asparagus, and behind them ornamental cabbage, and also in behind some without flowering and some flowering plant. So this is my first corner of plants. You can see. Must tell me in comments how you look like first corner of my plants at the rooftop at my home. Hello friends, this is my second corner of my plants. I shared my first corner with you. Here is second corner of my plants. So let's see which kind of plants I have here. I arranged my this corner with 2 rows. So let's see. First of all, this is dahlia plant, but it has buds, not flower nowadays. The next is begonia. I shifted after some days into big pot, and here you can see on one stand I have 3 plants. The 2 are verbena plant and the other one is Dianthus carnation. It is also called sweet William plant. So this is the in first row I have this verbena plant and Dianthus carnation plant. The next in first row is sweet alyssum plant. It is also looking beautiful. You can see how much it's beautiful. You can also check the beauty of my this sweet plant. Its fragrance is also amazing. So in this row, the next plant is petunia. I have petunia in 3 colors in one pot: light pink color, dark pink color, and off-white yellow color. So this plant is also in first row. The next is the crown of thorns. It is also called euphorbia, and you can see its beauty of flowers, how much it looks beautiful. The next is French marigold. It is about to finish. So this is the first row of my second corner of my plants. Also from here, the second row behind them, this is calendula plant. In my country and also Urdu speaking countries, it is called gule sharfi. I have 2 kinds of gule sharfi and calendula plant. The one is yellow and in a mid red, and here is yellow and in a mid it's green and yellow. So this is the second row behind them, calendula plant. And the next is, here you can see the full of and very beautiful gaillardia plant. You can see how much it looks beautiful, and it is full of so many flowers. The next in second row, dog's flower plant, also called snapdragon plant, and its English name is Anthurium majus. So you can see also looks beautiful here. And the next with dog flower, the kind of dahlia plant. In start of this video, I see you a dahlia which is without flowers, and it is a kind of dahlia one leaf flowers. This is cosmos in 3 colors: white, purple, dark purple. So these are also my second row plants. This is the second corner of my home plants on roof, because I have all my plants in roof. So this is second row of my second and first rows of my second plants corner. Hello friends, I am going to share the third corner of my plant. The third corner of my plants are shade loving plant. They are also indoor plants. You can put these plants indoor your house, but I have no place to put my these plants down. These plants are upside of my house, but I manage a sheet for my this plant like this, and when sunshine goes like this, I remove this sheet and fold it like this. So here I have some of my shade loving plants. I will see you today. The first plant here you can see, this is jade plant, also called button plant, dollar plant. So you can put it into shade, but early 2-3 hour sunshine is important for this plant. It is very good and good looking plant for your home. The next is, this is variegated canna lily plant. It is a flowering plant. If you want flower on it, you put it into direct sunlight, but I love this plant without flower, so I put it into shade, and you can see it has so many babies plant, and also I have some big plants. So it is also a shade loving plant. The next is, here you can also see, this is elephant ear plant. Its name was due to its big leaves look like elephant ear. You can see this is also shade loving plant. The next is Dracaena plant. I have it into it red color, dark red color. The next is cradle into mosses. It is also called cradle lily, boat lily, because its leaves are look like boat. It is also a very beautiful plant in two colors of leaves. The upside is green and the downside is like this. It has also white flowers. Here is you can see a bud of this white flower. The next is money plant. It is also a shade loving plant. It is also called pothos, but it is commonly known money plant. Here is spider plant. It is also a shade loving plant, and you can see I have so many here spider plant in it. I have also a other spider plant. Here are the babies of these spider plants. The next is, it is called Dremeopsis maculata. It is called also African hosta. Here are so many little. These plants are sprouting. These are the bulbs and the tubes of this plant. It is also shade loving plant, and its leaves when little look like this, and you can see how much it looks beautiful. The next plant is, which is in this my third corner of indoor plant shade loving plant, is aloe vera plant. So this is the third corner of my this plant on roof. I shared with you almost two corners of my flowering plant. Here you can see not any kind of flowers. Here are just ornamental plants almost. These are also shade loving plant, indoor plant. They just need 1 to 2 hour sunshine, and after it you cover them with any kind of sheet and anything you have at your home. So this is the third corner of my plants I have in roof.